What is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Katie and welcome. Today is super exciting for me because my hood shocks got delivered. I'm about to go grab those, unbox them, put them in really quick. It's so simple. I just watched a video yesterday and it seems super simple. Ryan's not here, so I'm gonna have to do it by myself. We'll see how it goes. Obviously he's gonna help me with a lot of stuff, but I of course want to learn how to do all this stuff on my own as well. We'll see. Hopefully nothing tragic happens. I'm so terrified to be like working under the hood and have that stick that we've been using is gonna come out and smash me. Anyway, guys, let's get to it. Alright, you guys, I ordered these off of Amazon. Here, get the puppies out. Brand spanking new. I will link these for you guys in the description. If you can see, this little metal band gets popped out up here, this one right here. Alright guys, we had a little bit of an issue with the clip, so Ryan had to come in and save the day. Oh, I know I said it was supposed to be super simple, which it was. That side was a breeze. Well, the clip just gave us a little bit of an issue. What is up, guys? It is a new day. So I really wanted to take the fender flares off and see what it looks like underneath, if it was rusted. But I think I want to order like the thin fender flares, like those fenders. So they're just like a lot thinner and not as bulky, because I don't really like that. I don't mind it on this truck, but I think when I paint it, I will want smaller ones. It's just really not the look that I like. So I was gonna do that, but until I order them, I don't want to take them off because it is hiding the rust. Changing plans. I think that I'm going to take all the tint off on the window. That's the plan for today. Maybe take the rain guards off. I'm not sure yet. I don't know. So we're just gonna play it by ear today and get as much done as we can because it is already 2 o'clock. We'll see what we get done today. After about 3 hours of peeling the glue off. I am finally done, and thank goodness, because wow, that took forever. At first when I did this window, I was like, oh, this is kind of relaxing, you know? No. I'm like so beyond irritated. I got it off and it looks so good. This side looks a lot better. Okay, so let me give you guys the rundown. It is so windy outside. I cannot stand out there. So once I was done peeling all of that off and steaming it, I took the Jack's Black Cherry wax on my window because when I was younger, I used to help my grandpa detail. They would always wax the windows. Y'all can come at me, but it does amazing things. So next time you wax your car, just hit your windows too, you know, wipe it off. I never actually wax the inside of my windows, which I don't know why like anyone was. I'm gonna go through the trouble to open the door to wax my inside of the window. I literally just do the outside, but I did do the inside too. I don't know, I just didn't want to use glass cleaner, I guess. That's all I got. I did not get as much done as I wanted to, but I also had no clue that was how long that was actually going to take. Next, I'm gonna get the stickers off, toolbox out. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another day. Like you guys saw, I got all the glue off the windows from the tint. Today, I'm definitely going to get all these stickers off, show you guys how I do that. Some exciting news for you guys. You noticed these are our new hoodies. They are the same as the last camo hoodies, but obviously they're black camo, and they have the lifted down the sleeve too. On both sides, they're so cute. If you girls want a cropped hoodie, all you have to do is put it in the note section or send me a DM on Instagram, and I would gladly cut it for you before sending it. I've done it for a couple people already, and they absolutely loved it. Anyway, new hoodie drops tonight. So freaking cute. And we do have the giveaway going on as well still. So we got all the stickers off here and on the back, as you guys saw. We don't have any adhesive remover, so I want to get out of the house and drive the truck. So we're just gonna go get some super quick. I forget these tailgates are so much heavier. I have 150. Hope and pray she starts, because it is freaking freezing out here. Alright, you guys, I just got back from the store and I picked up some Goo Gone automotive glue and sticker remover. Alright, I'm kind of just using my nail to get this off. Alright, you guys, that is going to go ahead and conclude today's video. I hope you enjoyed. The truck looks so much better with the stickers off and the glue off the windows. Definitely looks a lot less tacky, and I enjoy that a lot. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on the little bell so you're notified every time I upload, and I will see you guys in my next video.